name is Cesar Clavijo, and I'm the CEO over here at Tosco Marketing. Today, I wanted to create this video so I can reach out to business owners that are out here in Pueblo and Pueblo West area. Understand that due to certain events, businesses had to close their doors temporarily and slowly open them back up. But during those times, there was an adaptation across the whole board in the restaurant industry for those to do delivery services or takeout services. And that's how the restaurant owners seem to have been adapting and adapted very well. And I commend you guys for that. And I understand that people are also using other third-party services such as Grubhub, Uber Eats, and I believe even DoorDash. And that's okay to use. And I understand that it takes money to make money, and these services do cut a commission out of each order that's placed using their services or their platform. But what if I told you that you don't have to pay for those services and that there is an alternate method where you can use a specific software or food ordering system where they don't ask for a commission and their platform is completely free? I know it's insane. I thought it was insane at first when I came across this, but it really is completely free. And when I was setting it up so I can go ahead and demo it for this video, not once did I have to put in my credit card information to use the platform, and it seriously is completely free. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right over into their website so I can go ahead and demo it for you, and hopefully bring some value to your business if you plan on using this or not. But I feel like once everybody finds out about this, if they're in the restaurant business or industry, I think they're going to jump on a bandwagon. It's pretty much a game changer, I believe. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right over to the website. Okay, so here we are at Gloria Food's website. I wanted to just take you guys onto the website real quick just so I can show you what they're stating. It is an online food ordering system for restaurants, free of charge, zero commissions, and unlimited online orders. And I also want to remind you guys that when I created my account on this so I can try to demo their platform, not once did I have to insert my credit card information. So if you're kind of weary about jumping on this and you feel like you might be asked for your credit card information so you can use your service, that's not the case here. Now, when you do jump on here or onto their website and you want to access their platform, you do have to create an account. And it's all the basic information, just like anywhere else, really, on any other website if you're trying to subscribe or become a member. Gloria Food has done a really good job at kind of walking you step by step in how to insert your products, basically transferring your physical menu and digitally putting it into their platform. Once that's all set up, they'll give you an option to publish a few things. One of those things is the two buttons for the C menu and the table reservations. That's if your facility or your restaurant has tables where customers can sit at. And once that's published, Gloria Food will create a piece of code where you can integrate it onto your website if you have one, or if you have a Facebook business profile for your restaurant, that you can integrate it onto Facebook as well. And lastly, the last thing that you can publish is that it's an app that you can download on your mobile device, and which I think it's an awesome feature because you can download this specific app for your restaurant, and it gives you the ability to see the orders that are coming in and accept them or deny them. And you have the ability to also print out what's being displayed on that mobile app, which is awesome because you get an order, you accept it, and you can print it out and you pass it off to your cook or whoever is in the kitchen working with the food. Okay, so enough of this. We're going to go ahead and just jump over to this demo website that I created so I can show you how this all looks in real time. Okay, so here we are at the restaurant demo website that I put together real quickly using Weebly. And on this website, I'm just going to show you how these buttons that were published through Gloria Food can look on your very own website. So see right here, there's a C menu order button and a table reservation button. So we're going to go ahead and click on the C menu button. And right away, you can see how clean this layout looks. For me, I think it's very professional looking and very eye appealing, and I'm hoping that looks the same for whoever's watching this video. So right here it has my menu items, my burgers, my drinks. Of course, when you're setting up your menu, I'm pretty sure you're going to have way more items than this, but again, this is just an example. I'm going to go ahead and move on over to this information button. And again, this will just give more information about some services that your restaurant is able to provide for customers. And for instance, we're looking at the map here, and this map has 3 different color circles. Each circle represents a zone where you're able to deliver food to a customer. So for instance, if someone lives in this red zone, in order to have food delivered to them, they need to order at least a minimum of $10, and then there's a $3 delivery fee. And then same thing for the green zone. If they want to order food and have it delivered to their home, they have to order a minimum of $15, and then there's a $3 delivery fee. And lastly, there's a bigger zone where if a customer wants to order and have food delivered, they have to order at least $20 minimum, and there's a $4 fee. Of course, these are just numbers that I put in there. So you don't have to follow this exact model if you plan on doing this yourself or setting up this food order system yourself. But that, this just to give you an idea. Again, it shows opening hours for your business, delivery hours, pickup, table reservation hours, order ahead, and then payment methods. Payment methods, I put cash or call back and take card details via phone. So what that means is that a customer places an order, they don't want to pay cash, but they want you to call them back, and then you get their credit card or debit card information so they can pay for their order over the phone. Now, Gloria Food does charge, I believe it's $29.99 if you want to be able to have customers pay using their debit card or credit card via this platform. So everything can be done right here on this platform without them having to use cash or without you having to call the customer back to get their information. But again, that's a monthly cost. And so down here, there's the address of the restaurant and there's the phone number of the restaurant. And here it just has the cart. Our cart's empty, so let's just go back to the menu and we'll order something so I can show you basically in real time how this system actually works. So I'm going to go ahead and order a bacon burger. Let's add some extra lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickles, and I'll put a quick note saying, please put on side. I'll order 2 of these. I'll add to cart, and I'll order 22-ounce Pepsi, add to cart, and a 22-ounce Sprite, add to cart. Now we're going to move over to cart. I'm going to select the ordering method. I'll say pickup. I'll save it. I'll choose a time. I'm going to select now. I'm going to select save. I'm going to go ahead and select the payment method. And I'm going to say cash. I'll pay cash. I'll go there to the restaurant business and pay them when I get there. I'm going to double check the order, and I'm going to go ahead and place it and pick the order up now. Now, once I click this, you should hear some type of a ringtone using the app that I downloaded through Gloria Food onto my mobile device. And that's just letting me know that somebody has placed the order using the website. So here we go. Now, can you hear that? That's the ringtone that once you download the Gloria Food app, it's letting you know that someone has placed the order. So I'm going to go ahead and click the food app on my phone. I'm going to click on the order, and I'm going to go ahead and accept the order. Now, once I accept it, if you look on the screen up here, you'll see it real time as if you're the customer that your order was accepted. So I'm going to go ahead and hit accept. And if you look on the website, you should see that the order has been placed. And there you go. It says order confirmed for pickup in 20 minutes. It has my name, says I love it, and I can share this on Facebook. Now, once I set the order, if you're the business owner and you receive that order on your mobile device, and once you accept it, it shoots out 2 emails. It shoots out an email to you, the restaurant, and it shoots out an email to confirm for the customer that the order has been placed. So we're going to go ahead and move forward to the table reservations. So I'm going to go ahead and click on table reservation button. And this is really simple, nice looking layout. You can click how many people are going to be coming. I'll say 2 persons. I'll say today. I'll say 11:45. And I'll leave the comment section blank. I'll say next. Would you like to order food ahead and have your favorite food ready on your arrival? I'll say no, I'll order in a restaurant. And I'm going to go ahead and place table reservation now. And that right there, that's how quick it works, guys. So I'm going to go ahead on my mobile device and accept that table reservation. I'll accept and confirm. And you should see right here on the screen that the table has been reserved for you. So I'm just waiting for it to do its thing, and there you go. My table reservation has been reserved. And guys, that's really how quick this system really works. I mean, it's kind of mind-blowing to me that they're offering this completely free. They make their money doing other things for for restaurant business owners if they want to do some type of marketing, or they create your own website, or they even add that feature $29.99 so customers can pay via the platform, so you don't have to call them back or they don't have to pay in cash. But yeah, guys, this is completely free, and it's beautiful looking, very professional looking, and eye appealing. So I'm going to go ahead and move over to Facebook so you can see how this integrates right onto Facebook. So let me jump on over to the Restaurant Demos Facebook profile, and here we are. I've already integrated everything, and once it's all set up, I have this button here where someone clicks on it, it should pull up Gloria Food's platform system for your menu or for your restaurant. So here we go. I'll click on order food. And there you go. There's your menu, guys. It's that simple. So even if you don't have a website and you're just starting off the business, and you don't have too much capital to really market out there, Facebook is a perfect way and free way to market for your restaurant business and use a free food ordering system. I mean, guys, the tools are out there, and if you just look for them, and you can use them to your advantage. And I'm hoping that after this video, it's got these gears turning in your head, that you can really use this to play on the same playing field as other restaurant business owners that have been in the industry for a while. So you guys are probably wondering why I brought you guys over to Chick-fil-A's website. The main reason I wanted to bring you over here is because I wanted to show you guys that Chick-fil-A, being a larger franchise, they're even using third-party food delivery services such as DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub. And if we jump on over to Taco Bell, they're using Grubhub. And McDonald's, they're using Uber Eats and DoorDash at this time. Now, why am I showing you this, and why is this important? Well, I'm showing you this, and why it's important is because all three of them understand the market, and they understand that there's a market for food delivery services in particular, and they have the budget to pay for commission and delivery fees, whatever DoorDash or these food services charge. And that's to get their product from the restaurant into a customer's home pretty quickly. Now, I'm not saying you have to go out there and do food delivery services. If you have no problem just taking orders over the phone and placing that order inside your restaurant and it's working for you, that's fine. The reason I'm pointing this out is because this is what kind of the big guys are doing. And this is a perfect way to increase sales if there's a market for it. And using the Gloria Food system or food ordering system that I showed you guys or demonstrated, is completely free, and it kind of makes it a little simpler taking those orders because no one has to be on the phone on that time to take an order. So for instance, the way it's been, if you don't have the system implemented already, is that somebody will call up your restaurant, they would find your menu either on your website or someone posted it via on the Google, and they look at the menu, they call up your business, and they're like, hey, I'd like to place an order for this and that. All right, as you can see, that's pretty time consuming doing it that way. Whereas if Gloria Food food ordering system was implemented via your website or Facebook, it's all done on the website. There's no interaction between someone that works at the restaurant or the customer. So the customer is just working directly with the website. They place the order, and the order gets sent to the restaurant real time. You guys accept it, and then that's it. Either that person picks it up, or if you guys are offering food delivery services, someone delivers that food to that customer. And that's why I believe this food ordering system through Gloria Food is a total game changer, because you're not at a loss for anything. Even trying it out, and if you don't like it, you're still not losing out on anything. But I feel like a lot of restaurant owners that are not using this can possibly be missing out on an increase in sales. All right, and just getting out your product to even more customers out there. Now let's do a quick recap as to why it may be beneficial to use Gloria Food's online food ordering system. First thing is that it can be integrated onto your website. If you don't have one, you don't have to worry about that. If you have a restaurant Facebook page that you created, it can be integrated on there as well. Second thing is that it's user-friendly and it's not complex to use. Third thing is that it provides real-time food ordering services. And the fourth thing is that overall it just looks very professional. The layout is beautiful, and it just has some type of an aesthetic appeal to it. And lastly, don't want to forget this, is that it's completely free. And you understand that free is everybody's price. So if you hung out all the way to the end of this video, I appreciate you guys. And if you feel like I've provided some type of valuable information throughout this video, please comment below and let me know if you'd like to see any type of material like this in the future. And again, my name is Cesar Clavijo. I'm the CEO over here at Top Score Marketing. We provide web design, SEO, lead generation, and much more. I'll catch you guys later.